Beautiful morning out here. It's Groundhog Day again. What are y'all doing, buggies? Everybody got theirs?
I don't have none. Wow, that looks like it.
Doesn't fucking break it.
You won't break it.
What do you have as sliders under? What's under? Is there a slider or something in that? No, that's just good stuff. It seems like your body gets dug and bit. Man, but your side rails are pretty high.
We definitely had to get some cell phone video of that. What time did you get here?
10 to 9.
Oh, okay. I figured you were here at like 5 o'clock or something.
Nah, not today, man. I've done it. It's just like yesterday I spent quite a bit of time. Well, I went tiny trekking as well.
Yeah. That one looks really good.
Thank you.
Oh, just started running. I'm looking at his crashing into yours.
Man.
Rear ended him.
We'll get close. Keep going, Ryan. Look at you.
A little bit noisy on like wide open throttle, but when I'm crawling, it's dead silent on that blue truck now.
Oh yeah. Did you get the motor too, or you got a Holmes motor?
Yeah, I just left the same motor.
Yeah,
in there.
I think you're better off. I think the Holmes motor is better than the secure one.
Yeah. But I think that's why I haven't put it together. But
Why's your new Bronco bigger than my old Chevy?
Come on.
it comes like just regular ribbon from Hobby Lobby. But you know, if you want to make it like take it a little bit further, might be the way to go.
Gotta grab those.
I'll share the link on on the group.
Whoa.
Oh god, I'm ghost riding. Scratching up the man's paint over here.
I'm ghost riding.
He's like, whoa! Your scale to performance ratio is all off. Oh, my driving's all off. You got the Land Cruiser, Andy? I saw you had it out in the parking lot. Are you driving it right now?
No.
Oh.
You just want that free YouTube money.
Well, I'll take your 11 cents.
Right.
Yeah.
Take your YouTube dollars out of free
Yeah.
And then try to drop down. See that one that's pointed up towards you? Try to get the left out of there.
I mean, I'm still gonna send it.
That was wire.
Oh yeah. All right, little Yoda. You get up too? That one's tough, man.
Rock that back wheel in the hole.
Yeah, I know. Effortlessly. I guess a 2-buggy does do it a little bit better. You made it better than I did. Oh, whatever. Whatever. Switching out the hard body for my Capra. My Capra, we'll see how long it lasts. I broke the axle last weekend and I just safety wired it back together. We'll see how long this lasts. I'm not expecting very much. This thing's pretty badass.
Gold member 2.0.
Yeah, nice. Great paint job.
Looks good. See how it goes.
Yeah, we'll see how long my Capra lasts.
Yeah.
Literally held together with baling wire. Thing's held together with safety wire right now. You can't buy the plastic housings right now.
Oh, man.
If you got some, I'll buy them off you. They're like $12, but they ain't supposed to ship till like April, if that.
He's mind blown right now with all these little cars running around. He's like, wow. This is what they call heaven, Pops?
Like, I don't believe in it at all, but I've seen a lot of people running those tires backwards.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so some say, I don't know which one's forward or backwards.
Well, that's a bogger. Like, that's forward. Like, you got it the right way.
It felt right.
It looks right. It looks stupid backwards.
Yeah, it's just this other way. It looks a little bit different.
Yeah. It's literally a copy of a bogger. That's what they look like.
Put him perfectly high center. There you go.
Like, get it, Pops, right there.
Gotta get the line. That's the point of it. All right. You can't make that. Well, how mommy see you come?
I'm afraid to use dig on mine.
Yeah, now, Super Chef, the axle on their, well, it was years ago, I don't know if they do it anymore. They said this is an axle that'll outlast your rig.
Yeah?
Multiple rigs. And so far, I've rebuilt this Capra twice. It's still holding on. So you figure it as an investment. You buy it once, and that axle's just going to go from multiple rigs, rig to rig.
That's my problem, is I got so many dang rigs I gotta keep
Yeah,
up.
you got a fucking fleet.
Yeah.
You got to keep it cheap.
Yeah.
I think Trill makes a pretty decent axle for these things too.
Yeah. And then that one's not offset, is it?
What do you mean?
Like the pumpkin isn't?
No, I don't think so. I think it's centered. Yeah, it is centered. You can buy offsets there.
I just didn't know how it would fit on the Capra.
No, it's straight.
Yeah, I might do an
But
offset.
you can get them offset as well. They sell them.
I might do an offset when I replace this one.
You know when it's a pretty good axle design is when you got many manufacturers copying the fuck out of it. Usually it's a piece of shit and you don't get too many people copying it.
Yeah. That might be a good one to try to go up. Yeah, let's see.
Nice. With an underbite.
Hey, butter. What, afraid to take falls? I don't think this is the last time I settlement too often, or too much. At least not unless I babied the shit out of it. There you go, that looks good too. Whenever I get that bug, I'm going to try to do that nice custom, like the head turning interior shit.
Yeah.
It's kind of tight though, I don't know if it'll
Make the steering wheel move.
be, yeah. I don't know if there'll be enough room, I might have to scale it down a little.
Dude, those guys are very talented. Are you on the We Rock page? Find the
I'll look.
We Rock RC.
There's a couple guys I follow on Instagram. Cape It Customs or some shit like that. That Art of Black guy who does all the PSC, like
There's
hydraulic.
so much stuff in there.
Yeah,
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He does that Ram.
yeah. I'd like to scale it all the way out, you know. But still, that one has like a big skid, so performance won't suffer too much.
Yeah.
But I may just,
Speedy chassis?
no, he built it.
Oh, okay.
I may just do a flat interior with the driver. I already got those designed. And
A little line.
yeah. There you go. Piece of cake.
Piece of cake, baby.
It's nice you can catch a little ridge right there.
It has that scent that is just so good. Yeah, that's awesome. Of course, that's, you know, you get it. That's quick.
Did you bring your Creighton? I didn't bring any bashers. Yeah, basically. Hell yeah.
We got a shot of that.
Driver's side. Not bad. That was good.
That was real good, dude. That was real nice.
Oh, so close, dude.
Go up from here, right?
You're just not having it, huh? I'm done with this. This is BS.
We feel that way too. Nap time right now.
You got a rock in your left wheel. Like you could probably use that to climb up if you back off a little bit. What? You want to stay? Is that out of gas? That was like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
There you go. That ain't a light truck either. That's a good servo. Oh. Keep coming left. Damn it! That left side, that tip on the left side will kind of throw you off, so watch out for that. Once your back tire hits it. Nice. He ain't gonna hurt you.
Gotta run them over. They run.
What is this? What is the wall?
Don't be a pussy. It is. I crawled it just a second ago.
Oh, whatever.
You be out here for a little bit longer?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the restaurant.
You gonna go blast the Duke?
He's going to make some mud monkeys.
See? That's the easy part, type right there.
Great.
What, mine?
No, talk about this one.
What is yours, Josh?
13 and a half.
Mine's about 13 and a quarter.
It's 13 and a half on a warm day and probably 13 and a quarter on a cold.
Right out of the pool.
Yeah.
Oh, swimming!
It's not small, it's thin.
Compact series.
Oh, shit.
If I had my mags, I could walk that.
My big.
I had to bump it a little. Oh, a new truck? Who's that? I only recognize people by trucks. I'm like, that's a new truck. Who is that? I'm horrible with names. I only recognize trucks. Then you sell your truck to somebody and that'll fuck me smooth up.
Yeah, James is getting passed around.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
being ordered
I
around.
told Joe, he's like, dude, there's so much shit on here. And I was like, yeah, dude, that truck's seen some things.
Yeah.
Ain't everybody.
It's been
More of
molested.
Yeah.
Like an Applebee. There was a lot of flare.
A lot of flare.
Oh, man, I messed that up.
Angle iron or angle aluminum framing, and I'm like, dude, what are you doing?
And a socket this side.
Yeah.
He's like, I don't know, I was stoned when I built it. It's like, how stoned?
Like he was getting like way overboard creative. And it made no sense.
Yeah.
I'm like, dude, that's a lot of top end weight right here. Yeah, they're everywhere. Yep. I've seen them all day. And
Probably should have paid attention when you were doing.
Well, like us trying to keep your right front on this point here, because that's the shortest gap, you know. Ooh, nice.
All right.
Watch, hey Mike, watch out.
what?
I'm going right through where your legs are. Nope, keep watching out.
You're a tree now.
You're an obstacle. Get it together. good line, huh?
That was cool. I like it. Stretch it on out.
Do the chain link. Did you see that chain link vehicle? Where it
Back
like
it up a
stretches?
tad
Oh,
and then
yeah.
point it the other way.
Do the burn, man. You got the burn. Not like a hip or anything.
You got any more than that?
Not on a piece.
Back up and turn it apart. You're like, no, that's going
He's got the front burn on there?
I'm alright with
How do you do that?
VFD.
Really? You can do that with a
On a
VFD?
VFD twin, you've got your overdrive.
Yeah.
So it uses the 6%
Right.
overdrive, which you might have used anyways. Turns that into a big burn.
Oh, I didn't know that. Well, maybe I'll use a VFD for a buggy or something.
They're just big.
Yeah. There's a lot of stuff going
Remember that
on.
OD3 he had with the dig on
How'd
it?
you make that gap?
Well, I don't have
I
it.
didn't. I fucking hit the deck. I don't know if I can do that.
Keep your, see that point, Mike?
Yeah.
Keep your right front tire along that ridge. That's the shortest distance. Nope, further left. I'm gonna keep going on that one. Fucking old lady's probably wore out, huh?
Oh, it's Rylan. He's fucking just the nap time. He has nap time at 11 o'clock.
That's what I mean. Your old lady dealing with
Oh,
him.
Yeah, she's probably fucking going to bed anyway.
See, that's cool, man.
Yeah.
That front and rear burn.
You can do a medium front too.
Yeah, when it works. Are you doing it on the knobs on the Jeep?
Damn,
I
that
have
is a
the-
scary ass
That's the
line.
rear, and then that's the front.
It's a good one, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh! Crash and burn! We just took a right off of that rock.
Oh,
Man, what a beauty of a day, huh? Water's pretty high today. Sometimes we're crawling all the way up by that little tree stump right there. Hell of a day though. February 2nd. It's like 78 degrees, something like that. Very nice. All these yahoos are up here bashing. Woo! That was a good one. Ooh. Man. Oh no! All right, that was a pretty good day of crawling. We've been out here for several hours. It's like 2:30. We got here at 9. A good while. But more importantly, this axle held the whole day. That's a good repair right there. Hell yeah. Alright, that's it. I didn't even get the van out. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.